technically this isn't a fine. How and why is the NFL demanding this money from Jones?
So, Robin, it appears that the NFL is relying on a resolution that's incorporated into the league constitution and bylaws. And the resolution states that when a club has a financial interest in or otherwise participates in a lawsuit against the league or the commissioner or other clubs, the league has the right to seek reimbursement from that club for legal fees spent on that legal action. Now, it's an open-ended question whether or not that provision actually applies. I think lawyers for Jerry Jones are going to say, you're misconstruing that provision because Jones never sued the NFL. The Cowboys didn't sue the NFL. As far as I know, there was no threat, a specific threat of a forthcoming lawsuit. There was no demand letter. It looks like there were critical efforts made, and Jones did hire David Boies, a prominent attorney, but there was no actual legal action. So I don't even know if this clause applies, and this could end up going to court.
Michael, obviously there is a lot to this. Do you expect Jones and or the Cowboys to have to pay this money at the end of all of this?
Yeah, I think Jones could decide that this clause doesn't apply. I mean, clearly Jones has the economic wherewithal to pay it off, but he may feel like this is misconstruing a provision in order to exact revenge. That the revenge, of course, is that Jones, from everything we can tell, made some sort of effort to have Goodell not continue as commissioner. And that effort, of course, failed. And when you try to take down the king, if you will, and you fail, you can expect some kind of response. But Jones could argue you can try to dole out revenge, but you have to do it within the confines of an applicable rule. Here, I'm not sure that rule actually applies. And this could lead Jones to say, I'll spend more money fighting this in court than paying the NFL.